Happy holidays from our family to yours, and may everybody have a blessed incoming year.
How you doing, guys? And welcome back. And yes, we're not in the water. I decided to make this video because I bought a furniture set off of Amazon, and I was wondering why it was so cheap. I mean, not quality wise. So I got curious, so I said, you know what, let me order it. And I got to my house, one big box. So I was like, how is there 2 chairs, a couch, and a table in there? You know what the trick is? You have to build it yourself. That's why it's almost half of the price cheaper. So now it makes sense. I think anything that you put in your backyard, especially if you have like a saltwater pool, there's a lot of salt vapors in the air and chlorine and stuff like that. So anything that you put in the back, it's gonna get bad. I guess aluminum is gonna last the longest. I took on the challenge, so we're here, and I kind of started already. So and I got King there. King is trying to help me, and it's pretty easy. It seems complicated because there's a lot of little parts, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's actually pretty simple the way it's done, and it's amazing. It actually holds I think up to 200 and something pounds per chair. This is the actual tool that it brings, and this is what you use. So it's pretty simple. Everything is polyurethane plastic. Pretty simple. I kind of started this one halfway. You know, you put your screws in the hole there, and basically you don't need nothing. Just be handy with your hands. Basically, it's pretty simple. I mean, I kind of glanced over the instructions. Yeah, you know how it goes. Us man don't read instructions. So I kind of started on my own. Color fading resistant and weather resistant. So that's the thing I like. What's the good thing? The wife is happy because she got a new set, and I'm happy because I saved half of the price. Let me get going, because if I keep talking, I can get it done. So all right, so here we go. We got the one arm or one leg, whatever you want to call it. That's the outside. This is the inside, and then you use these things, these plastic pieces. I guess they're considered like nuts. You put them in the slot there. You're gonna put them in the slot. You slide them in, and then see, they click in place. You go to the next one, and you slide them in, and then they click in place. Yeah, Big Mama was out here for like 2 seconds, you know, inspecting the quality of their work, and that's it. I'm stuck here with myself. Not even the kids want to help me, but it's okay. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. So it's pretty cool. Like you see, you put the screws and then you use a little wrench, and then you got the pieces to cover it. It's pretty cool how it comes. And to be honest, the wicker design is really cool. I mean, it's pretty close to, you know, looking like the real thing. So there you go. Whoa, there you go. Just built a second one. See, looks pretty nice. And then you put the little cushion, you know, that's on there, and you got it. See, it's pretty handy, and they're pretty light. You know, I like it. I like them. You know, I kind of question it because you got to put it together, but once they're together, it's pretty sturdy. Let me keep working, and I'm like, yep, by myself, because nobody wants to help me. Only King, and he's actually was chewing out the pieces. A crazy dog. But all right, let me go back to work. So here we go. Kind of slide it in place, and you whoop, and you click it.
Finally, I got some help. I guess she noticed I was having a hard time putting things together, so she decided to help me, because 4 hands are better than 2.
So here you go, guys. There goes the couch. So this is the patio set, well, part of it, and I'll be doing the build, and hopefully it lasts us a long time, because the other ones lasted how long? The other one lasted about 4 to 5 years, and it was metal covered with wicker, but around the pool area, I guess all the salt and chemicals in the air, it kind of rusted out. So we decided to go ahead, and this is polyurethane. So here it is. Hopefully it comes out good, and I don't know.
I approve.
You approve? And like you can see, it looks pretty modern, and this set comes in 2 colors, charcoal gray and I guess wicker brown. And like you can see, it's very good design wise, and it's pretty comfortable to sit down too. So if you like it, I'm gonna leave the link on the description below. And by the way, this is not a sponsorship or a promotional video. This is me showing you guys the quality and the build of the patio set. But stay tuned, for after this video, you're gonna see how hard it is to take a simple picture with the family. Hello and Merry Christmas from the Fresco family. King!
Come here. Come here. Stay.
Come here, stay here.
King.
No, he's scared of you.
King, stop doing that.
Okay, ready?
Be good. Be good. Be good.
Come on now. Ready?
We are
Wait,
really
wait.
trying to get the family together, including King
big
and
King.
Yuli, the
Okay.
pets of the family.
Wait.
King! He's
He's gonna knock it over. He's gonna knock it over 100%.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
King!
Hi.
He's gonna knock the tree down.
King,
He's gonna knock the tree down. That's
No,
why he's a
okay.
wild man.
Giovanni needs to move!
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Wait,
Take two. Get up.
I was gonna say,
Get back!
Come on.
guys. Oh, I don't know why I keep saying
Can
that.
I see it? I got it.
Okay, everybody
Hey
wait.
guys, welcome
Okay,
back to
first
my
of all,
channel.
everybody. Okay, everybody wait.
Hi. Okay, no, yeah. This is the Fresco family. We are gathered here together to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Look and watch. Look and watch.
Why you just messed it up?
Look and
Tengo
watch.
una etiqueta colgando.
Dale, go. Say whatever you want to say. Dale, go. Yes, we have to put on these ridiculous matching outfits.
It's a family party!
Bye, bye, bye.